How to draw walls and openings in Plan 7, Architect. The first step requires setting the units. By clicking here, you can set the units to meters, for example, and click OK. Similarly, you can adjust the options and interactive dimensions. Click the button and choose the same unit. OK. Now you can click the wall button and set the wall's dimensions in meters. For example, 0.2, so 0.2 for 20 centimeters. You can also click on the catalogue to choose other wall types. Here, for a simple wall, click the first point. You'll see that here you can specify the wall's length in meters. You can click on the keyboard and enter 12 or enter 15 directly and press Enter. If you continue, you can enter 8, 15, and 8, for example. If you make a mistake, you can click to modify the wall using the arrow keys. You can also click to change the wall's length before moving it. Now, you can draw openings, such as windows, doors, or simply empty spaces. Let's take a window. We can define a catalogue. We can also directly enter window dimensions and click. To place the window, we need to define the opening direction. And then we can move on to the next window. It's the same for doors. You can click on Door and choose a door type here. And define the dimensions, for example, 1 meter, and click. Once we've confirmed the door's position and opening direction, we can switch to 3D. Double-click the mouse wheel and check the openings. By holding the wheel, you can navigate around the project and even double-click to modify openings. Let's go back to construction. We can create an opening. Again, use the catalogue to choose the shape. It could be an opening like this one. We set the dimensions. Here 0.5. And we'll click here. And there you have it. In 3D, what it can look like. To modify, We can also double-click to change the parameters. You can also delete the opening using the Delete key and then recreate it. There, you can choose the type of opening you want. That's how you can generate walls and openings in Plan 7 Architect. You have access to a playlist to learn more, so I'll see you soon for more videos.